Today I will be comparing the artwork of Juan Gris called Portrait of Pablo Picasso and the artwork of Pablo Picasso called Weeping Woman. Both are Cubist art pieces that represent a human. The portrait of Pablo Picasso is a Cubist portrait of Picasso, and the Weeping Woman is a Cubist portrait of Picasso's wife. The portrait of Picasso is much more monochromatic. Juan Gris uses cool blues, light grays, and some brown in his piece. The art and Picasso are noticeably confident. He is holding a paint palette and is dressed up wearing a suit. All of these aspects give the piece unity. The Weeping Woman has a much larger variety of colors. There is a range of blues, greens, reds, and there is even some yellow, purple, and white. It is much more expressive, especially because the woman in the art has much more emotion. She is expressing her emotions as she is clearly upset and crying, holding her hand close to her mouth. There is a wider range of shapes and lines, especially the circular lines used for the hair. There are other geometric shapes used for her hat and the flower on her hat, and there is a much higher variety of shapes overall. I personally find The Weeping Woman is much more intriguing, mostly because of the mood it brings out in me. The art seems much more unique and stranger, as if it is a puzzle. Juan Gris's work is much more straightforward. Nevertheless, both artists have incredible technique and skill. Both works of art include wonderful aspects of Cubism and are both fitting examples of the movement.